Hello everybody and welcome to another easy tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a doorbell system for $5 to $10. For $5 to $10. Now, this purple thing around my neck is basically the doorbell system, which you can buy at a store called Justice in different patterns. Obviously about it at Justice, it's that Justice monkey, but you can get in different patterns. Mine like the peace sign, there's a dog, and there's just doorbell systems for your room or whatever. Now you can get these for like $5 to $10, and this peace sign. Now the peace sign, the monkey, the bigger one thing with the tail has a bigger loop, but it is the speaker system. This is the part that goes in your room. The other hand is the doorbell system, the one that you push, and it'll go through the speaker. Now to set that up, I will show you. So come with me. I have to be kind of silent because my dad is sleeping. So I'm just gonna be silent. So you just do the process exactly what I do. So. So, that's basically how you do it. You'll need one. So, you'll just need 2 thumbtacks. It doesn't have to be a hook. And that doorbell system, that's basically all you really have to do. Thanks for watching another easy tutorial. Goodbye.